Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 16, Light. Explanation of the chapter we have done in our previous videos. Today we will do exercise question answer. Okay. So we will proceed from the first question. So before proceeding, let us read the question. What is it? Our question is, what is reflection of light? So very important and easy question, and you must be knowing the definition of it. But still we will do a part. You can write side by side. A part, short answer, very short answer question. And first, what is reflection of light? Bouncing back of light after striking surface of an object is known as reflection of light. Reflection of light. Okay. Now let us read the second question. What is it? Our second question is, what are the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection? So here is the answer. First we will write the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. The angle between incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence. Now, angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. It's the angle of incidence, and now I will write the angle of reflection. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal is known as angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Okay. Just write it down fastly so that we may proceed. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस क्या होता है, जो हम अगर आप चाहो तो यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक दिस डायग्राम with the help of pencil. This is the normal ray, this is the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray. The angle between this incident ray and the normal is known as the angle of incidence, and this angle between the reflected ray and this normal is known as the angle of reflection. Clear everyone? With the help of this ray diagram, it will be more clear to you. Now let us see what is the next question. What type of image is formed by a plane mirror? Plane mirror से कैसी image बनती है? Virtual and erect, है ना? So answer is, let us write how. Answer number 3. Image formed by image formed by a plane mirror is virtual and erect. Okay, virtual and erect. This is the how the image is formed by a plane mirror. Clear? Now let us proceed to the next question. That is the question number 4. Okay, what type of reflection forms an image? Which type of reflection forms an image? Regular reflection, है ना? Irregular reflection में क्या होगा? Image नहीं बनेगी. लेकिन अगर इमेज बन रही है किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की तो ऑब्वियसली वो रिफ्लेक्शन प्रोसेस से ही बनी है, लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हुई है तभी वो इमेज बनी है, बट वो लाइट जो रिफ्लेक्ट हुई है वो एक प्लेन सरफेस से हुई है, और यू कैन से अ रेगुलर सरफेस. ओके, अगर इरेगुलर सरफेस से कोई भी प्लेन आपकी जो रिफ्लेक्शन होती है उससे इमेज नहीं फॉर्म होगी ऑन अ स्क्रीन. क्लियर? So the question is, what type of reflection forms an image? So answer is regular reflection. Regular reflection forms an image. Forms an image. Okay. Clear everyone? So just look at it once again. We have done very short answer question of chapter number 16, light. The first question we have done. Second question, angle of incidence and angle of reflection was there. And here, what type of image is formed by a plane mirror and what type of reflection forms an image. So these answers I have written here. Just write in your fair notebook, and there should be no cutting and no mistakes, and please try to avoid fluid. Okay students, let us proceed in our next part, that is the short answer questions, है ना? Short answer questions. Okay, now we will write short answer question, that is the B part. SAQ. Answer number 1. Before writing the answer, let us read the question. What question says? So question is, state the 2 laws of reflection. हमें जो laws है reflection के वो लिखने हैं. So there are 2 laws of reflection. We will write them. laws of reflection, laws of reflection. Okay, so here we go. Our first law is the angle of incidence, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection, the angle of reflection. Okay, students, so this is the first law of reflection what I have written here. Now the second law of reflection is जो हमारा angle of incidence होगा, angle of reflection and the जो normal होगा, they all lies on a same plane, or you can say on the same point of a plane. So here I am writing it, the angle of the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lies on the same point of a plane. Clear? So this is about the laws of reflection. So there are two laws of reflection. The first one says that the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. And second law says that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lies on the same point of a plane. Clear, everyone? So this is about the laws of reflection. Clear, students? Okay. Now we will proceed to the second point. Okay. The second point is, what is the second question? What is the angle of incidence of ray if the angle between the incident and the reflected ray is 120 degree? He's saying we have to find it out, the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence we need to find out. And what is given here? The angle between the incident and the reflected ray is 120 degree. So let us start. What is actually say? First of all, this numerical can be solved with the help of ray diagram properly. This is the normal, this is the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray. Okay, he says the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray, yani ki this angle is 120 degree. Okay, but we need to find out the angle of incident, this one we need to find it out, that is the angle of incidence. So both will be equal, है ना? तो मैं हम क्या मान लेते हैं here, दोनों का प्लस, दिस इज द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, अब नाउ एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस प्लस एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इक्वल टू, दोनों को अगर ऐड किया है तो क्या गिवन है? 120 डिग्री. 120 डिग्री. हमने एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस को मान लिया है x. अगर एंगल ऑफ लेट दिस द इक्वेशन नंबर 1. लेट एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हमने मान लिया है व्हाट? x. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हमने मान लिया है x. बट हमें पता है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, तो दोनों यानी कि एंगल आर भी क्या हो गया, एक्स. ठीक है, नाउ दिस वन and this one, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Now put equation number 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Put equation number 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Then what will happen, angle of incidence हमने x मांगा था और r भी क्या होता है, x भी x ही है. then क्या होगा, x plus x equal to 120 degree. X plus x equal to 2x. Here it will be 120 degree. Then x 120 degree divided by 2. Then हमारे यहाँ पर एंगल x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई है, 60 डिग्री, और x क्या था, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. देयरफॉर एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री, और यही तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना था, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. So dear student, it is now clear to you or not? Thus the numerical, in any type of numerical can be given from the laws of reflection. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Just write it down quickly. ये चैप्टर जो है बेटा, ये फिजिक्स का पार्ट है. दैट्स वाई फिजिक्स में तो न्यूमेरिकल्स आते ही हैं. ओके, सो आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स के लिए भी रेडी होना चाहिए. जस्ट राइट इट डाउन क्विकली. Okay, now let us see our third question. What is it? How many images of a candle will be formed if it is placed between two mirrors placed perpendicular to each other? Means अगर दो कैंडल्स हैं, एक कैंडल है, दो मिरर्स आपस में पोजीशन है उनकी परपेंडिकुलर, यानी कि 90 डिग्री की पोजीशन में दोनों मिरर्स हमने रख दिए हैं और बीच में हमने कैंडल पुट कर दी है. द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट कि उस जो हमने कैंडल बीच में रखी है तो उन टू मिरर्स के अंदर कितनी इमेज फॉर्म्ड होंगी. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो आवर आंसर इज अगर हम परपेंडिकुलर रखते हैं मिरर्स को and we will put a object that is a candle between it, then how many images will be formed? So images of candle will be images of candle will be 3, यानी कि 3 images will be formed. Okay, and if you want to know how the 3 images will be formed, then go to the activity number 4. आप activity number 4 को दोबारा से read कर सकते हैं and you will get the answer. Am I clear everyone? Okay, now let us proceed further. Let us see what is dispersion of light. Name the colors of light obtained when white light passes through a prism. 2 questions are there. First one says that dispersion of light क्या होता है, and second one says that अगर हम light को pass करेंगे prism के अंदर से, then how many colors of the light we will obtain. Okay, so these 2 questions are there. So let us see. Okay, first we will write this the answer number 4 of short answer question है ना. What is dispersion of light? We have to write it down. So answer is splitting of white light, splitting of white light into its constituent colors. Is known as dispersion. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Dispersion of light. जब वाइट लाइट अपने कलर्स में स्प्लिट हो जाती है, 7 कलर्स में स्प्लिट हो जाती है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट. ओके एवरीवन? ऑलराइट. नाउ we have to give the answer. When white light passes through the prism, it breaks into 7 color. It breaks into 7 colors, and that is the Vibgyor. Vibgyor. V stands for violet. V stands for violet. I stands for indigo. B stands for blue. G stands for green. Y stands for yellow. O stands for orange. And R stands for red. So these are the 7 colors in which the white light splits when it passes through the prism. Clear everyone? So we have completed our 2 portions of the question answers. The first one was the very short answer question, and the second one is the short answer question. In our next video we will do this ETQ, essay type answer question. Okay, and also the true and false multiple choice type questions. So in the next video hopefully we will complete our chapter, that is the light. Fine. So again just watch the answers. This is the 4th answer, that is the splitting of white light into its constituent colors is known as dispersion of light. When the white light passes through the prism, it breaks into 7 colors, and those 7 colors are Vibgyor. V stands for violet, I indigo, B blue, G green, Y yellow, O orange, and R stands for red. Clear everyone? Okay, and also please go through the activity number 4. उसमें आपको you will able to get the answers कि अगर हम 2 मिरर्स के बीच के एंगल्स को चेंज कर देंगे तो उससे नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस पे क्या चेंज आएगा. क्लियर बेटा? सो ये भी आपको रिवाइज करना है. एक्टिविटी नंबर 4. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? I hope all the answers are clear to you. So just write it down in your fair notebook in a proper handwriting. Clear? And before starting this chapter, you can make any of the activity whichever you want. Feel कि yes, this is the important one and I should know the diagram of it. That activity you can make. So thank you so much for watching this video.